Get ready. Alright guys, it's just starting. So we got the P1. Go for it. Daniel. Coolest car this car week. I don't know if it'll be topped, but it's about to roll through. The big reveal. Oh man. Guys, just waiting around, and it just happened to be at the same time that all these cars went. And here we go again. Whoa, that was pretty good.
The thumbs up.
Yeah, Stefan made him do it.
Oh, it is a Kia. Oh, nice.
And the Imola is moving, I guess, to the back lot. Oh, sign Enzo. And the world record car. Oh guys, we're still cooking. I thought we're done. Silver F40. LP 650 and a 918. Sesticolamento, SF90XX, Cinque. Well, I guess we did it. SF90XX. Well, Zonda MD takes over the show by literally not caring at all. Front park, front lift up. Just don't worry about it. You want shots, get it. You don't, that's your loss. Guys, we found almost like a matching pair, right? Like the colors are kind of similar, but it's a really cool G-Wagon. But talking next level here, guys. One of the coolest Veyron Super Sports we could find. Damn. And finally, the yellow 918 on winter tires with orange piping. Very interesting. Guys, just cruising around the side street here at Carmel, we found an SF90XX in case you didn't see the plate. And one of 4 black Ferrari F50s. Did not expect to see this. Didn't even know it was here. Great surprise. These things are so rare. And again, crazy auctions, kind of like the Enzo. So who knows what a black one will bring. But one of the coolest cars that would be, I think, probably a Monterey Car week this year. Kind of worth it. Vibes are vibing, guys.
Vibes are indeed vibing.
Change the car, change the scenery, change your luck, change the vibe.
Change the detour. Don't take the path most traveled, and you will seek rewards.
Guys, one of the biggest stars of Car Week is about to come around this corner. Here it is. F1 GTR. $35 million car. Crazy. Diablo VT Roadster. But yeah, this is probably going to get exponentially more in pretty much every parking lot we see by the end of the week. This is the very beginning, but Koenigsegg and Pagani are going to be both manufacturers here. I'm sure Horatio is going to be here, and Christian von Koenigsegg is going to be here, and most of the North American clients will bring cars. Now guys, we have a black Enzo here, and nobody really seems to care because that's the type of attention that this Zonda brings. If you don't really know the significance, I mean, this kind of speaks for itself, but you still gotta appreciate the black Enzo. These cars are sick, but yeah, it's Car Week, guys. It's Zonda week. It is what it is. Very, very good spot. Double speedsters, great cars. And even after the Ferraris, we got the Hennessy Venom. LFA. Really nice and like discreet color, kind of works for like the California sunshine vibe. Pretty good lineup here with the 575 and the green CGT with the 0.1 3RS. Okay, so pretty cool accents, the blue accents on this 997.2, but this is a manual Mercy SV, but the weirder thing is it's right-hand drive here.
That's also right-hand drive.
Oh yeah, there's also right-hand drive, but again, these are all obviously manual. This is one of very, very few manual cars ever made, but I guess so hard to find. You have to get a right-hand drive car. That is pretty cool. 962, road legal, want the plate. Oh, there it is. Ford GT. While all these guys are looking at all the hypercars, guys, we got a Tesla Roadster here. And the P1 again.
In race
on a
mode,
car. Race mode. See, that's how you got to do it, guys. Keep it in race mode. LFA. Still hunting, but there's a nice green Mura. What's there? Guys.
Oh, and a BAC mono.
Oh, well, guys, it's so deep into Car Week right now. We're just a Polo IE when we're just going to get our coffee, and guess what? We're still just going to go get our coffee. Probably just going to hang out here at the auction for the rest of the night, but Enzo just pulled in. Going to run it soon, I guess. F8, guys. Oh, and a 765.
Oh, is that Cat?
Canadian car? Nope.
Nope.
Just traffic leaving the Quail. We got some Diablos, some more Diablos, and some more Diablos. Momo edition, actually, though. We got the CCGT. And the Veyron showing up. We always see it, but usually it's just at the very, very end. Good way to start the day.
Oh, it's Nielsen.
Yeah. Oh man, and the F40.
Oh, and the Enzo.
Oh, Black. Stefan, all day yesterday. All day we're running around trying to find this thing, and today we're not even trying, and the first thing we see.
I'm standing here.
Film that. Oh my god. Dedication. And we have the Toronto SF90XX. And a little Zonda getting washed as we got back in the Chiron. Pretty cool. Now we're waiting for, but yeah. Well, we know what he's waiting for because I was waiting to see the Venom, and there's all the Hennessy's there, including a Venom that's kind of hard to see right now, but here it is. I think it's the one we saw in Greenwich, Connecticut last year.
Oh, P1.
Oh, P1, Toronto car. Car week is crazy, guys. Might as well just keep filming the entire day. I could live stream right now and you guys would see so many cars, but we're not doing that. And we got even more. Okay. Alex, day one for you, really, a car week. What do you think?
It's a fever dream, to be honest. Just the landscape, the cars, the people, the vibes. It's ridiculous.
Everything. 10 out of 10. Recommend.
10 out of 10. 11 out of 10, actually.
11 out of 10. Yelp review.
I
Top
give it
seller,
Yelp,
top host.
Google, whatever. I'll give it whatever. I don't care. Yeah, I'll create 16 different accounts, 5-star reviews all around. No complaints. No notes. Look
Great.
at this. What are we doing here?
Yeah, we haven't even shown it in the video, the second one. We were waiting on a GT1, but it's not like we didn't have one here already.
Like, who heard DK? That's the question that I have.
Yeah, who heard DK,
I
guys?
don't know who pissed them off, but wow.
Almost missed these cars, but the Veyron Grand Sport and the Valhalla. Grand Sport is definitely more interesting. I've never seen, I don't think, another Veyron with these wheels. Kind of like the Arnold Schwarzenegger spec Vitesse, but on a regular Grand Sport with the soft top on. Randomly at a light. We were literally all distracted just waiting for the lights to turn green. So good. Two cars that I absolutely love and nobody's paying attention to for some reason. Peak 2000s era here. We have the Bentley Super Sport. We have the GT3 RS 0.2997 and another one, both in paint to sample. A Gallardo Superleggera, another paint to sample, and a 430 Spider. This is peak era of cars, and it's just the most like representative cars of that era, pretty much. I mean, 911s, Ferraris, and Lambos.